The convergence of artificial intelligence, AI, with robotics is a burgeoning field that holds tremendous potential to transform numerous aspects of our society. This blend of technologies brings together the decision-making and learning capabilities of AI with the physical actions and interactions of robots. Understanding AI and robotics. AI is essentially about creating machines or systems capable of performing tasks that usually require human intelligence. These tasks include recognizing patterns, learning from experience, making decisions, and solving problems. AI can range from simple algorithms used in calculators to complex systems driving self-driving cars. Robotics, on the other hand, deals with the design, construction, operation, and use of robots. Robots are programmable machines that can carry out a series of actions autonomously or semi-autonomously. Traditionally, robots were programmed to perform repetitive tasks in controlled environments like factories. Convergence of AI and robotics. When AI is integrated into robotics, it enables robots to make decisions, adapt to new situations, and perform complex tasks that were previously impossible. AI-powered robots can learn from their environment and experiences, improving their performance over time. Opportunities. Healthcare. AI robots can assist in surgeries, providing precision that can enhance the surgeon's capabilities. They can also serve as caretakers for the elderly or disabled, offering company and monitoring their health status. Manufacturing and logistics. In manufacturing, AI robots can adapt to changing production needs, improving efficiency. In logistics, they can automate the sorting and transporting of goods, streamlining operations. Exploration. In space or underwater exploration, AI robots can go to environments hostile to humans and make decisions autonomously based on the data they collect. Service industry. In the service sector, robots can perform tasks ranging from cleaning to customer service, enhancing productivity and service quality. Concerns. Job displacement. One of the primary concerns is the potential for AI robots to displace human jobs, especially in sectors like manufacturing and services. Ethical and moral questions. The deployment of AI in robotics raises ethical questions, such as the level of autonomy given to robots and their role in critical decision-making scenarios. Security and safety. Ensuring the security of AI systems in robotics is crucial, as vulnerabilities could lead to safety risks, especially if these robots are used in public spaces or for critical tasks. Dependency on technology. Over-reliance on AI robots could lead to a loss of skills in the human workforce, as machines take over tasks previously done by humans. Pop culture examples. Iron Man and Jarvis. Tony Stark's AI system, Jarvis, in Iron Man, is a perfect example of AI in robotics, assisting Stark in designing and controlling his suit, making decisions, and learning from interactions. WALL-E. The titular character WALL-E from the animated movie is a robot with AI characteristics. He learns, adapts, and even exhibits emotions, which shows how AI can make robots more relatable and effective. Real-world implications. In the real world, AI-powered robots are already making an impact. For instance, robots in automobile manufacturing plants are now capable of adapting to different models of cars on the production line, increasing efficiency and reducing the need for human intervention. In healthcare, robots like the Da Vinci surgical system allow surgeons to perform complex surgeries with enhanced precision, aided by AI's ability to analyze data and provide insights. Conclusion. The merging of AI with robotics holds great promise for advancing our technological capabilities, potentially improving efficiency, accuracy, and safety in various industries. While the opportunities are immense, it's crucial to address the challenges and concerns, particularly around job displacement, ethical considerations, and security. Balancing the benefits of this technology with responsible usage and addressing societal impacts will be key to ensuring that the convergence of AI and robotics benefits humanity as a whole.